Every day, you use science without even realizing it. Whether you're opening a can of soup, sweeping the floor, or lifting the lid off a paint can, you're relying on tools that make work easier. And behind those tools are some of the oldest inventions in human history: simple machines. A simple machine is a device that changes the direction or strength of a force. It doesn't have a motor or a battery. It just uses smart design to help you do more with less effort. The 6 main types of simple machines are the lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw, and wedge. Let's start with something in almost every home: scissors. When you cut paper, you're using a combination of levers and wedges. The handles act as levers, letting you apply force more easily. The sharp blades are wedges. They split the material apart with less effort than tearing by hand. Next up, a can opener. This clever kitchen tool combines a wheel and axle to turn the crank, a lever to grip the lid, and a wedge to puncture the metal. Each part multiplies your input force, turning a tough job into something smooth and easy. Even a broom is a simple machine. It's a lever. When you sweep, the top of the broom is the effort point. The middle acts as the fulcrum, or pivot, and the bristles at the bottom apply force to move dirt. By adjusting the handle length or angle, you can sweep with less strain. Around your home, you'll also find screws, holding furniture together, inclined planes, like ramps, and pulleys, in blinds or garage doors. These machines are everywhere, quietly saving you time, effort, and energy. Now it's your turn to explain how they work. Here's your writing challenge. You're going to write a summary explaining how simple machines help us in daily life. Your summary will include at least 3 examples from around the home, and you'll describe which machine is involved and how it reduces the amount of effort needed. Include 3 examples of simple machines used at home from this video, like scissors, broom, or can opener. Identify which type of simple machine is being used in each example. Explain how each machine reduces effort or makes the job easier. Use science terms like lever, wedge, wheel and axle, or inclined plane. Write in full sentences using clear, organized ideas and in your own words. Make sure your summary shows you understand the main idea. Simple machines help us work smarter.